Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make SATA Andagi. There are islands called Okinawa in southern Japan, and SATA Andagi is Okinawan's donut. Very popular snack there. It tastes almost like an old-fashioned donut or cake donut, but it's lighter and crispier. Very easy to make. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need to make 18 to 20 donuts. 300 grams of cake flour, 150 grams of sugar. I'm using white sugar today, but if you have brown sugar, that's even better. 1 tablespoon each of vegetable oil and milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 eggs. Let's crack the eggs in the bowl. Add vegetable oil, milk, and sugar all in, and mix it well. You don't need the whisk anymore, so you can put it away. Let's shift flour and baking powder into the bowl. Flour and baking powder. Let's mix using spatula. Heat up some vegetable oil over medium to medium-low heat. It's induction heater here, and it's 4 out of 7. Prepare some extra vegetable oil to oil your hands. Let's make the dough into golf ball size. Into the oil. And fry them for 7 to 8 minutes. They will expand, so make sure not to pack the frying pan with the donuts. frying them for 4 to 5 minutes. You start to see cracks here and there. These are the signature of SATA Andagi and what makes the donut so crispy. If the oil is too high, you can't create the cracks. So make sure the temperature of the oil is medium to medium low. Some are looking good. So let's take them out. All fried and beautifully cracked. Let's try one. いただきます。That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!